Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. The new Volkswagen Passat Variant R-Line. It's right here with me and I'm really happy to present it for you, interior, exterior, and I try to show you every single detail on this new Passat interior. Also it has a fantastic interior and huge space there, as usually the Volkswagen Passat have. Volkswagen keep the shape of the car and come with the same huge space in the interior. Also a lot of comfort, a lot of visibility, big windows if you see there. Also a lot of new technology. I will show you in a moment. Here on the side we have the airline logo, on the other side as well. We have some black trim on the grill. Here we don't have anymore the chrome grill, so they make all the front grill in black, and all the chrome was hidden behind this black. I see these days it is like a thing. All the people choose to hide the chrome with black glossy plastic. Here is the price, 71,380 for new Passat Variant R-Line Edition. We have 272 horsepower, 4-cylinder, petrol, 7 gearbox. Here are the other option of the car. You can pause the video and read it if you are interested in all that detail. We have also the rims in black glossy. They look quite good. I like them very much. The rims, they are nice. We have Pirelli tires and 19-inch wheels here. 19-inch is the size of the rims. You can see the new rubber that cover a little bit of the rims, that you cannot scratch it so easy. On the other side, the airline, the mirror, it's super nice with some LED blinkers. Also we have the mirror, and the blind spot, it's here like on the Audi. This time the blind spot is in the interior of the mirror. Anyway, you can see here around the car windows, we have this black glossy plastic. Also big windows and great visibility. You can see there how big they are. I think this tourer car have the most visibility from the interior outside, and we will go inside and you will see it. Also keyless entrance in the car, the same handle as before. I like this black glossy line that go all over the car around there, and down here some plastic in the same color as the car for a nice sporty design, and also for some extra aerodynamic. Also the line go all the way to the back. Even the fake exhaust pipe are in black this time, in black trim. We have 6 parking sensors in the back there. Also down here some light reflectors. I like this line. They add this sharp line here in the middle of the car. All over the car on the both sides is this line that make the car much more interesting. The fake exhaust pipe, as I told you, in black. Also the air diffuser down here. The back spoiler down part, it's in black glossy. Make the car look much more sportier. LED light on the number plate as well. There, that's a cool thing. Also behind this logo, Volkswagen logo, we have the back camera and the new design of the LED light. I like this design. I like it very much. I like those lines here on the side. They look very nice in my opinion. The new that's the front. The first thing that you see when you see the new Passat, the LED lights, the new LED lights. Also, they choose to make it black all over the roof. It's black, and also this spoiler here looks super nice in my opinion. The spoiler with the brake light up there look fantastic. The shape of the Passat is the same as the old Passat, but yeah, you just know from the LED light that this is the new one, and also a few lines here and there, sharp edges that tell you this is the new Volkswagen Passat. Electric lift gate, that's a cool feature to have it. Also, you can see the button right here and the handle. If you want to close it manually, the triangle is up there as well. And let's go to the fun. The fun part is the interior of this car. We have a flat floor entrance in the car and a huge trunk here. A lot of space in the left side here where you can have the medical kit, and another space here in the right side. You have the 12-volt port, the handle to lift, fold down the seat, and also the button. You know what is this button, guys? Look at this. You just push the button and the hook is out, and then all you have to do is just press it just a little bit, and now it's fixed, and now you can use it. Now if you want to put it down, press the button, release the hook, and push it up. Very simple. It's just all you have to do is this. Anyway, you also have this protection for the trunk, and I like the fact that they make a nice this time the design, the quality of the material, it's much better than before. So great job. I like that. Big trunk as usually, folding seat in 1 second, just like that. We have a flat floor there and a huge trunk where you can carry many things. You can even sleep or yeah, wherever you want, carry mobile or stuff like that. It is a huge practical car in the same time with a lot of quality. So Volkswagen did a great job with their cars. Um, this is my opinion. I like it very much. Uh, it's pretty practical, this car, and it has a lot of quality in the car as well. Also, you can fold down only the middle part if you want to carry skis or long items, and if you want to keep two passengers in the back and still carry long items, you can fold down the middle part. You have here two cup holders as well with the armrest in the middle, um, in the back. Very practical as well. Quality is very good. Down there you have still space. I don't like the step there in the middle, it's kind of big, but yeah, I guess it cannot be like an electric cars. Just a flat floor. Pushing the button, close the trunk, automatic, and let's go to the doors. Huge windows. The windows are huge. That means you have a great visibility from the interior. Also very good quality on the doors. You have an LED ambient light as well here on the door trim. Also this chrome design, it's very nice. We have a speaker here with chrome around. The handle, it's nice. Some leather in the middle part right here with white stitches. Here we have rubber soft material as well. The button is also nice. It has a little bit of chrome there. Then the speaker is down here, some light reflector, and a small storage space in the door. Quite nice. Big entrance in the car, not big, huge. One of the biggest I see on these estate cars or tourer. Also, back of the front seat we have only leather, no plastic. So this is a cool thing. I like that as well. Also, I think I go on the other side because I want to show you the space there, and it's better from here because we have more light. Anyway, here we have the vents, glossy plastic. We have heated seat in the back. You can control the climatic system from here in the back. USB-C and also a 12-volt port down there. Very practical these days. Useful. Also some plastic on the side. I wish here was also leather or something soft material. Then was perfect. Then was the car perfect. Here we have the leather seat with a nice design on the side, and also kind of side support there. White stitches, beautiful design, and also they are kind of soft, not so soft, but a little bit soft, so they are good for long trips as well. The space on my legs, it is enormous. I don't even need to tell you. You can see here I can also stretch my legs there, and I have plenty of space. Really happy with the space, much more than other cars. Also on the head, it's amazing space. gorgeous visibility on the windows. We have a hook, a handle up here. Also, you can see it for yourself. Good quality on the roof. Some hooks here on the side. LED light up here on the roof as well. Very useful, very cool. And also the visibility on the windows. It is very good. We have great visibility on the windows. Going in the middle here as well. I have a lot of space on my legs. No problem at all for me. And you can see the seats are in the normal position, maybe a little bit back than normal position, and I still have space in the left and the right side, also on my head. Huge space in the middle, no problem. Even for free people here, it's no problem at all. Traveling for long trips, I like that. Pretty good. Great job, Volkswagen. I love the space here. I also reviewed the new Volkswagen Passat, the normal version, not the N-Line. You can check out on my channel, and you can find it out there if you want to see the normal version. Also, it's just a few changing here and there, but almost not so big difference. Big windows also in the front, great quality on the doors, the same LED light in the door here for the ambient light. The speaker is the same. Also here on the front we have free speakers on the door. You can see free type speakers, so the sound should be better than in the back. Soft material here. Also the buttons are the same. We have bigger storage space here in the front doors. Also a light reflector and the button for the trunk automatic lift gate. It is right here. Pretty useful. Also the entrance in the car, we have some chrome design here, and then aluminum pedals. The aluminum pedals from Volkswagen, they are super nice. I have it on my X-Golf GTA. Also here you can adjust partial. It's kind of an electric partial seat. I don't know. Only the upper part you can adjust it electrically. Otherwise you have to do it manually. The other things. But the seats are super beautiful and nice design. White stitches, airline logo here. Beautiful side support as well. I like them very much. They are really beautiful. Also down here we have some space where you can put your stuff, small space. The buttons for the lights where you can open and close the lights. Soft material on the dashboard as well. Down here also it's soft. I think it's rubber. The vents are nice design. Also LED light on the dashboard and the same kind of chrome design on the dashboard there. We have in the middle leather armrest. You can open it. You have there a USB-C port and a very useful storage space. Also in the middle 12-volt port, electric handbrake, in the middle auto hold as well, and two cup holders. Quite practical. It is perfect the way it is. This is made from plastic, the middle console, but it looked good and it's very stable. Also soft material on the dashboard. We have a head-up display right here. That's pretty useful as well. Speaker, and otherwise the dashboard is clean and straight, and you have a great visibility also on the windows. And you can see in the back fantastic visibility because this car has a lot of windows parts, much more than other cars in this category level. Also the new digital cockpit and the multimedia system I will show you in a moment. We have the Passat here with the blinker, the same design as on the door, chrome on the dashboard, pretty clean and nice. We have here also LED light on the dashboard that go all the way on the doors, and the vents, the way they are together, line up there, look very nice. Pretty cool. I like that very much. Also the new cockpit, digital cockpit, I think you already know it from my other videos. The steering wheel is also very nice. It has a great quality, one of my favorite steering wheels. Actually good quality, good grip. Those buttons are fantastic. They are very practical. They are ergonomic. The way they made these buttons while you're driving, you can adjust every single detail, and your eyes stay on the road. It is perfect. Airline there in the middle. The way they think it, Volkswagen make it perfect. Clappers for changing the gear manually. Um, all that button can adjust every single thing in the car, so you can stay with your eyes on the road. Also, I love the multimedia system. You have a gesture control here. You can see, um, you can change the radio station or the sound just with the gesture control. It has a few gesture control. I don't know how many people use it, but I don't use it. Here is the climatic system. It's the old one, but it's very practical. They don't even need to change it because it is very good. It's do his job perfect. Charging the phone, the mobile phone in the front there. We have also a start stop button here, an USB port C there, if you can see it in the right side. Also the different modes, parking sensors and cameras, stick for changing the gear. Actually here the car it's automatic, so it's very simple to do it, but it's the same shifter as before. Now the way, um, the visibility from the driver point of view, it's very good. And here you can see the airline down there, that it's a different edition of car. Up here the mirror, it's also beautiful. It's look great. LED light on the roof, nice design. The way they design the plastic, it's reflect the LED light and make the car ambient look better. Up here SOS buttons and service and all that stuff. Also LED, I like this LED up here. I don't know if you can see it so well, but the design is very nice. Handle, good quality on the roof as well. I like the roof quality. And yeah, let's show you a little bit of the multimedia system. I think you already know it from my other videos. It is very responsive. We have a glossy screen here. You can adjust every single information. You can change the language, time, also kilometer, miles, Fahrenheit or Celsius. Here is the home screen. You have a great navigation system with all kind of information. It's very smooth, one of the best on the market. You can see how smooth it is. You have there all kind of information, everything you need. It's right here on the navigation, and it's worked perfectly. You just choose where you want to go. You just press start, and the car it's loading in just 1 second, 2 seconds. It's loading your destination, and you have all kind of information perfectly. Resolution, colors, everything is perfect. You can connect your Android, Apple CarPlay, and all that stuff. Also information about the car here. Yeah, I think you already know it. You see it before. I have a full review with this. If you're interested, you can check out on my channel the video with all this information about the multimedia system here. Also, yeah, I guess that was the car, guys. In my opinion, it has a great price for what he can offer. One of the best car out there that you can buy. Also, um, it has a very good uh, technology. For example, those LED lights with the new technology, follow LED on the blinkers, and also full LED lights in the front, and also the fog lamps are LED, 6 parking sensors in the front. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, like it, share it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. So see you soon, guys. Stay safe and see you in the next video.